How to fix TikTok login problem. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, open the TikTok app on your device. On the login screen, choose use phone, email or username. Here try entering your phone number. If you are unable to log in, your account may have been deleted. If it's been more than 30 days since the deletion, the account cannot be recovered. Otherwise, try using your email or username. After entering your email or username, hit continue. Now enter the verification email that is sent to your device and you will be able to log in. If that doesn't work, it could be due to a bug. In that case, go back and go to your device settings. Here scroll down and click on apps. Then select manage apps. Furthermore, click on the search bar and search for TikTok. Likewise, click on TikTok. Then tap on clear data at the bottom right. From the menu, select clear cache and confirm your action when prompted. Moreover, open the TikTok again and try logging into your account. And finally, you will be able to log into your TikTok account. That's all. I hope this video helped.